Alright, I'm down at the workbench now, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Here you go. There's our clamp. Made out of an aluminum alloy, so it's nice and light. Got a nice rubber grip here with some texture, so you can get it real tight. We have a swivel point here and another swivel point here, as you can tell. And that'll just make it real easy to line up our wood. Max it can accommodate is. Alright, so I got my tape measure. It looks like if we untwist it all the way, we're going to be able to fit right around 2.75 inches. And not that the height matters so much, but it's about an inch tall from there to there. You can see this also has holes here and here for mounting, and you're also going to have some depth there, obviously. So if you put a bolt through there, that's not going to mess with your clamping abilities. Looks like the largest bolt that you'd want to put in there, if it had bigger than a 1/2 inch depth on the head, that would be a problem. But you're not really going to see that in most bolts, especially something with that diameter. And for diameter, we're looking at just under a 1/2 inch diameter as well for this hole for mounting. So I've cut a couple pieces of wood here. You can see I've done a 45 on each end. So let's just mount them up here in our clamp. So I've got them mounted up now. I'm just going to drill a hole. I'm going to taper that off. I've got my T25 chalked up, and you can just run one of these screws in here now. And just like that, we've got our piece of wood easily mated together using our clamp.